Now that's a song very close to the hearts of many in Southern Africa. The Dalum Kids, Ndincedeni. Life is all about helping each other and looking out for each other, isn't it? I mean, and not forgetting each other's birthdays. A listener texted me, including observing Valentine's Day for those that believe in these things. How was yours, by the way? Just in case you spent it with your significant other. Memorable? Shaka Khan, for all the lovers in the house, so to speak, ain't nobody loves me better. Quiz time. Last week's answer then to why only one boom was down and not the other side at the railroad crossing as I was driving through Ireland. It was because they were half expecting a train, I told you. Yes, this week's question.
Hey, hi there. This is Cynthia, or just call me Cinch. I'm from Bulawayo, the city of kings and beautiful queens. And you're listening to John the Boss. So this is this week's quiz. How many letters are contained in the shortest verse in the Bible? How many letters are contained in the shortest verse in the Bible? Good luck.
Anything you want, I'll give it to you. 'Cause all I have, you're entitled to. All my love and nothing less. You deserve the best. Of a castle I built for you. Work day and night till you say I'm through. I'll fill your life with happiness. You deserve the best, darling. You deserve the best. I'm 24 hours at your request. A love like mine will never
Saturday with John, the Boss.
Sinch from Bulawayo, thank you for the quiz question reminder. I'm also reminded, of course, that Bob Marley is making waves the world over. And only just this past week, his tribute film hit most theaters right around the world. And DJ Hot Cat, the cupcake from the Zambian Copper Belt, has got a bit more.
Hi, boss. It's been an exciting time for the Bob Marley fans. Last month was the One Love premieres, and this month, the One Love film, which I've been to watch. And guess what? I was at my best behavior. Did not utter a word.
I believe you.
My excitement was palpable. Boss, you interviewed and compared the Bob Marley concert at Rufaro Stadium and played social football with him, didn't you?
Yes, I did. Guilty as charged.
Africans will liberate Zimbabwe.
Every man got the right to decide his own destiny. And in this judgment there is no partiality. So arm in arms with arms, we'll fight this little struggle. 'Cause that's the only way we can overcome a little trouble. Brother, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're so right. We gon' fight, we'll have to fight, we gonna fight, fight for our rights. Not to trade it in a Zimbabwe, set it up in Zimbabwe, mash it up in a Zimbabwe. Africans are liberate. No more internal power struggle. We come together to overcome the little trouble. Soon we'll find out who is the real revolutionary. 'Cause I don't want my people to be contrary. And brother, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're so right. We'll have to fight, we gonna fight, we'll have to fight, fighting for rights. Mash it up in a Zimbabwe, we trash it in a Zimbabwe. Africans are liberate Zimbabwe. I and I are liberate Zimbabwe. You're right, you're right, you're right, you're so right. We gon' fight, we'll have to fight, we gonna fight, fighting for rights. To divide and rule could only tear us apart. In every man chest, their beats are. So soon we'll find out who is the real revolutionary. And I don't want my people to
Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
Thank you, DJ Hot Cat, the cupcake from the Zambian Copper Belt. And so, a great time was had by many Zimbabweans on the night Zimbabwe officially attained its independence from the British, April the 18th, 1980 at Rufaro Stadium in Harare. And I just so happened to be on that stage with Bob Marley hosting their concert. I'm still pinching myself as I speak these words, you know. That experience not just rocks me down to my bones, but does wonders for my soul too. And if any of our SOS fans have still got the videos or the clips or the photos from that occasion, please, you know where to get hold of me. Send those clips in.
If you wanna get to where you let the feeling roll, get down to your rockin' soul, rock down on the inside. If you wanna get to where you let the feeling roll, get down to your rockin' soul. Each day I feel so much closer to you, but we both got to keep the loving coming on through. 'Cause when a train of thought gets off the track, engineer naturally starts pulling back. 'Cause we gotta have a chance to do our dance, and we'll never go wrong when we're singing our song. So if you wanna get to where you let the feeling roll, get down to your rockin' soul. Rock down on the inside. If you wanna get to where you let the feeling roll, get down to your rockin' soul. My heart's on my sleeve for the whole world to see. 'Cause in my life there's only you and me. You're my firm foundation, the love I need. Please stand by the side of the soul you free. 'Cause we gotta have a chance to do our dance,